In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to join a VR collaboration session as a participant when another user invites you to join a VR collaboration session. In case you do not have SimLab VR Viewer installed and you do not have SimLab Sharing account, once the host adds you as a contact in SimLab Sharing to invite you to a collaboration session, an email will be sent to you requesting you to join SimLab Sharing. Click on the Join button in the email you received. In this page, you will be able to activate your SimLab account. You will need to fill in your name and a brief description about you, as well as a password for the account. Once you click Join, you will be directed to a page guiding you on what to do next, and the first thing you need to do is to download and install SimLab VR Viewer. From the SimLab VR Viewer download page, select the device you are using to download the setup file. Once the download is complete, run the setup and install SimLab VR Viewer, then run it. In SimLab VR Viewer, click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email address and the password you have designated before for your SimLab Sharing account and click Sign In. Once you are signed in, a VR collaboration invitation will appear. You can click Close to reject the invitation, or click Join to accept the invitation and join the VR collaboration lobby. In the collaboration lobby, you will find a list of all participants in the VR collaboration session, as well as their status. A green indicator next to a user's name means that the user has accepted the invitation, and a 100% progress next to his name means that his machine is ready to start the VR collaboration. To the left, you will find the messages box where you can send messages to all the other participants as well as the host. If you were to click the arrow next to the microphone icon, you will be able to select which device to use as the microphone, and clicking on the microphone icon itself will mute and unmute your microphone. Same goes for the speakers, where the arrow enables you to select the audio output device, and clicking on the headphones icon will mute and unmute your speakers. To the right, you can toggle the mode in which you will be joining the collaboration session. If you do not have a VR headset attached to the computer, only desktop mode will be available. Once the host clicks the Start button on his end, the collaboration session will start. During the collaboration session, as a participant, you cannot interact with objects until the host allows you to. Once you are able to interact with objects, you can now trigger and grab objects and be part of the VR interactions. If you were to access the VR menu by pressing the middle mouse button in desktop mode, or the menu button on the VR controller, you will find the option to mute and unmute your speakers and your microphone.